Hello all, welcome to my new video. Today we will do bottle decoration using neon 3D outliners. I am using Fevicryl neon 3D outliners and 3D glitter outliner also. Take the cleaned bottle and start drawing shapes similar to parallelograms. Put some dots and connect it so that it is easier to draw similar shapes. Once the parallelograms are done, we can draw a smaller one inside using different color. If you are watching my video without subscribing to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. I have used glitter 3D outliner to draw one more inner shape. Now the bottle looks like this. The neck portion is completely done with different colors. Finally, fill the shapes with red glass color. This is the final look. With cork lights on, the look is so amazing and beautiful. Hope you liked this video. Do share your comments and feedback. We'll come back soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.